What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing in there? And how are you going to get out? Oh, you got a baby. What do you guys think you want to eat? Some of my vegetables? I'm thinking that I might not want you to do that. Of course, I can't even get into my own garden. Now she's looking for a place to jump back over the fence. And what about the baby? I know I just saw a baby. Good grief, Kaye. I can't even get out of my own garden, okay, I gotta go underneath. Oh. I just want you to understand that this is not copacetic. Where's the baby? I just saw a baby. Where's your partner? Huh? You better start flapping those wings and get back over. You know, I didn't even think about you. You got a couple of wings. Just start flying. Where's the baby? Where'd your baby go? Come on now. There you go. Yeah. But where's the baby? Let's see. Yeah. It got out before you did. I don't know how that happened. Well, that was interesting. It is about, let's see, it's getting on 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm having my first cacao. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's see if we can get out of here. Oh, it's too early to bend over. This is where early morning stretching would come in handy. It's terrible being tired before you even get the workday started. My dusk to dawn lights are not even off yet. All right, let's get back over to my spot. That was interesting because I saw something go over the fence and it never occurred to me that the wild turkeys would be feasting in my garden. Yes.